Welcome! Today we're going to load paper on your Brother HL L2460DW. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Pull the paper tray out of the machine. Press and slide the paper guides to fit the paper. Fan the paper. Load the paper with the printing surface face down in the paper tray. Ensure the paper is fully forward in the paper tray. Gently adjust the paper guides. Ensure the paper is flat in the tray and below the maximum paper mark. Slide the paper tray completely into the machine. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.